Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you how to make another account on Windows 10 quickly and easily. Step 1. Click on the Start button in your taskbar and then select Settings. If you don't see Settings, simply type Settings in the search bar and open it. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Accounts from the left-hand side menu. This is where all user account settings are managed. Step 3. Click on Family and Other Users. Here, you can manage other people who use your PC. Step 4. Under Other Users, click on Add Someone Else to this PC. This option allows you to add a new account for another user. Step 5. If you want to create an offline account, click on Add a User without a Microsoft account. This lets you create a local account that doesn't require an email. Step 6. Enter a username for the new account. Choose a name that will help you easily identify the account later. Step 7. Type a password and set up security questions, then click Next. This helps protect the account and allows password recovery if needed. Step 8. Your new user account is now created. You can change the account type or remove the account using the downward arrow next to the account. Step 9. Sign out of Windows and you will see the new account as a sign-in option. Now the new user can log in and start using the PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.